Howdy, welcome to TBK Homeworld, and in this video we're going to be going over this Icon Slim Bar Light. This is IPX4 water resistant rating. Notice that is not waterproof, but water resistant. This has a built-in battery and it has a USB-C charge cable that goes along with it. It has a magnetic base as well as a 180-degree rotating head. So no matter where you're at, you should be able to get this rotated to the direction that you need it to be. So if we stretch out our USB-C cable, you'll see that we are 40 inches or about 100 centimeters from end to end. So this USB cable has the standard USB-A on one end and then the USB-C that plugs into the flashlight on the other end. And having that linked is actually really nice because most companies cheap out now and you're getting anywhere from 8 to maybe 12 inches if you're lucky for a cable. So I do appreciate they include the larger cable. Now on our body of the flashlight, we're going to have our USB-C port on one side of it, and of course it's going to have a dust cover on it that's also going to protect it from the rain. Now right beside the charge port, we're going to have LED indicators to let us know how charged it is. There is 3 LED lights, 3 being fully charged. And then we flip it around, and as we do, that's where we're going to find our on-off light. This button is also going to cycle it through the various modes. So with this light, we have our primary flashlight, which is 150 lumens and 7 hours of runtime. Then we're going to have our main bar light on low, which is going to be 200 lumens or 7 hours of runtime. Then we have our bar light on high, which is going to be 800 lumens or 3 hours of runtime. Then on the back side of our bar, we are going to have our low at 180 lumens for 8.5 hours of runtime. And then we have it on high for 500 lumen or 4.5 hours of runtime. Now, one of the features that I find very interesting about this particular tool is it remembers what mode you were on. So it has this cool little feature that if you've had it on for a little while and you press the button again, you don't have to cycle through everything. It just shuts itself off. So for example, we're going to turn on the end light here. And as I'm talking, you can see that we have this end light lit up. And after a little bit, we're going to press the power button and it shuts itself completely off. We did not turn on the main light bar. It has shut itself off. But if we turn it on again, it goes back to the end flashlight mode. However, if we cycle through those items and let's say we want low on the rear, and that's the item that we use the most often, and we're doing our work and then we're like, you know what, we don't need it anymore, so we're going to reach up and we're going to turn our light off. Then our light turns off and then we're like, oh man, I should have done this and that and the other over there in that networking closet. Let me grab my light and pull it back out. It remembers where you were. That is a very nice feature, especially if you're one of those people that only want this for a very specific purpose. Now you've seen me having this fully extended, but it does articulate and it pulls itself down and it collapses to a very nice smaller size. And you could easily take this and tuck it onto a work belt or on your belt loop or something along those lines, or you could even slip it into a pocket, collapse it up and leave it on the outside of your pocket and it would work well. This would also work very well if you're in the dark and you just want a little bit of light as you're walking along. You could easily put this on your pocket and use the light to illuminate around you as you're walking, let's say through the forest. Now, one thing it doesn't have on it is there is no clip that is on this system. So if you are looking for a clip light or something like that, this does not have that. However, it does have a feature that I really like, and that is a magnetic base that is on here. And on top of that, for those of you who are concerned about causing damage to your mini toolbox, it has a rubber base that is on it. Now around the outside, we have the metal body of the flashlight, but in the middle where the magnet is, there is a rubber foot. And the rubber foot extends just a hair over the body. So long as you put this on your metal surface very gently, you will not cause damage. However, if you have it a little tweaked to its side as you put it on there, you can possibly cause damage. So you'll still want to be careful with it. Now, there is no specific clasp that is going to hold it closed. However, there is a little piece of metal that goes over to the magnet here that is exposed. And what it does is it holds on to the Phillips head screw that is on the head. So whenever you actually close this up together, that magnet aligns perfectly with that screw head and you get a soft close with that when the magnet wants to pull that screw over. So there is a way that it is secured, but it is not a hard clasp. One of the things that's kind of difficult to tell in the package is what part of this is metal versus what part is plastic. Well, I can definitely tell you that the main body here is going to be machined metal. The knurling on it feels very nice. It is not rough to the hands. However, from this point forward on the body, it is all going to be a plastic body that is on here. So this is two different types of material. Main body, where you're going to be holding it, is metal. Everything else is plastic. It should be able to handle a lot of drops and issues like that, but you do want to be careful with it, because with the main body being plastic, if you're dropping it a lot, you could have issues with it and possibly break it. Now, this light is designed in the States, but it is manufactured in China. So if that's something that bothers you, then you'll want to look elsewhere for a tool that's made in the country of origin that you would prefer. For those of you who are curious, this is a 3.7 volt lithium power cell that's in it, and it is claiming to be 2600 milliamp hour. Did you hear that Sigmund has teamed up with TBKHomeworld for our next big giveaway? That's right, folks. They are giving away one of these really amazing night vision binoculars. If you haven't seen our review of these yet, check out the link in the description below, because it's down there for you. If you're interested in the chance of winning this, check out the description below. It's open to more than just the States, and we're really excited to be teamed up with them. Again, check out the link in the description below if you're interested in winning your own set from Sigmund. So that goes over the basics of this particular flashlight. We're going to be using it here in the shop and definitely in our move, and see how everything goes with this particular flashlight. If you have questions about this, please leave it in the comments below. We love talking to everybody from around the world, and we have some really amazing comments like this one here. Thank you very much for leaving that comment. And remember, keep your tools sharp and your batteries charged, and we will catch you on the next one.